Welcome to HortTube. My name is Jim Putnam. In this video, I'm going to be planting this Welch's pink Callicarpa americana. Callicarpa americana is a native shrub to the eastern United States. There are a lot of species of Callicarpa, most of which are native to Asia, but Callicarpa americana is our native. This is a little quart pot I bought off the rack at J.C. Ralston Arboretum. They have a little sell spot when you're over there at the Arboretum where you can buy some interesting plants. This variety was found by a horticulturalist named Matt Welch in eastern Texas. This pink berrying or pink fruiting cultivar, most of the Callicarpa americanas are all purple, with the occasional white one found in the wild. This pink one was thought to be just a cross between those two, but the seeds were germinated, and it turns out every seed comes up pink and identical to this one. So this is truly is not a hybrid of the two. It's its own special thing. One thing about Welch's pink is it is a little more compact than other Callicarpa americana varieties. So this one can be kept like 5 by 5. And I've got the perfect little spot for it on the edge of the property here. I got this weird brick retaining wall that from here going that way, it's an actual retaining wall. But from here out to the road, it was just this weird wall that I've taken out. But every single time I try to break or cut or anything on these bricks, I break the next row and the next row and the next row. So I've given up on that, and I'm just going to plant a shrub on the end of it. This is the perfect plant to cover it up. It'll be a very full 5 by 5 very quickly. Doesn't look like much now, but it will be very, very quickly. This is easy digging here. Kind of a sandy edge to this property where soil has washed down here over the years. Nothing to really know about planting this native shrub other than, don't cover it completely up. I'll leave barely the top of the roots exposed there, and then I'll grab a handful of mulch, which I have over here. Got some extra mulch there and mulch around it, and literally that's it. I'll water it in well, and that's kind of it. Again, this is a native plant, really kind of pest resistant. The birds absolutely go crazy for these berries as they mature. Here's the angle back into the front garden space. Excuse all the plants on the driveway here. I've basically got a nursery because I have all kinds of upcoming landscape planting jobs that you guys will see the videos for. That explains all of that, but you can see looking back this direction into the landscape, this is also going to be kind of a good screening plant in this spot. A couple interesting things on this Callicarpa. When they flower, they start midsummer flowering, and they flower up the stems as the plant continues to grow. So the flowers are continuous all season, and then the berries form behind them and color up behind them. So the birds have a extended period of time with berries on the plant. Since they do bloom on that new growth, you can cut these super hard in the wintertime. So if you needed to get one under control, you could do it at that time. Regular Callicarpa americana that grows wild in the woods here can get 12, 15 feet tall easily, but can be kept much smaller than that with a hard late winter pruning. They can be fertilized at that same time. You probably don't even have to do that. I just plant them, keep the ground covered with mulch. You'll be surprised from this little quart pot how big this thing will be at this time next year. These are hardy in zones 6 to 10 for Callicarpa americana. I've actually seen this one only listed for like 6B or 7, so I don't know if it's not quite as cold hardy. Maybe being found in East Texas. Maybe if you're growing this one in 6A, let me know down below, because I would like to know, but definitely safe in zone 7 to 9 for sure. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel so you can see how this Welch's Pink Callicarpa americana progresses over the next year. It'll probably be this tall and this wide in a single season. Thanks for watching.